Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're passionate about cars or just want to keep your vehicle running smoothly for years to come, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something every driver needs to know: the driving habits that could be silently ruining your engine. Many of us do these without even realizing the long-term damage they can cause. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid to keep your engine healthy and your car performing at its best. Let's get started with something many people overlook: revving the engine when it's cold. Imagine it's a chilly morning, and you're in a hurry. You hop into your car, start it, and step on the gas pedal to warm it up. While this might seem like a quick way to get going, it's actually one of the worst things you can do for your engine. When your car has been sitting for hours, the oil settles, and it takes a few moments after starting for the oil to circulate through the engine properly. Revving too soon puts unnecessary stress on parts that haven't been adequately lubricated yet, leading to premature wear and tear. So, next time, give your engine a minute or two to warm up naturally before hitting the gas. Another habit that's all too common is neglecting regular oil changes. Think of engine oil as your car's lifeblood. It keeps all the moving parts running smoothly and prevents overheating. But over time, oil gets dirty, loses its viscosity, and becomes less effective at doing its job. If you ignore oil changes, sludge can build up in the engine, leading to reduced performance and, in the worst-case scenario, total engine failure. Stick to your manufacturer's recommended oil change schedule, and always use the right type of oil for your car. Trust me, it's a small investment that can save you from massive repair bills down the road. Next up is riding the clutch, a habit that manual transmission drivers are especially guilty of. You might not even notice you're doing it to keeping your foot lightly on the clutch pedal while driving or at a stoplight, but this habit can cause the clutch plate to wear out faster than it should, and in turn, that can put extra strain on the engine. If you drive a manual car, make it a habit to fully release the clutch when you're not using it and shift to neutral at stoplights. This simple adjustment can significantly extend the life of your clutch and protect your engine from unnecessary stress. Now let's talk about hard acceleration and sudden braking. We've all been running late for work or trying to beat traffic, and we end up driving aggressively. But here's the thing: flooring the accelerator and slamming on the brakes isn't just bad for fuel efficiency, it's also terrible for your engine. Rapid acceleration forces your engine to work harder than necessary, which increases heat and wear on internal components. Similarly, sudden braking can lead to uneven stress on the engine and drivetrain. Instead, aim for smoother, more controlled driving. Accelerate gradually and anticipate stops to brake gently. Not only will your engine thank you, but you'll also enjoy a smoother ride and save money on gas. Lastly, ignoring warning lights is a surefire way to shorten your engine's lifespan. Modern cars are equipped with sophisticated systems that monitor everything from oil pressure to engine temperature. When a warning light comes on, it's your car's way of telling you something's wrong. But many drivers dismiss these warnings, thinking they're not urgent or that the problem will resolve itself. Unfortunately, ignoring a small issue can lead to bigger, costlier problems later. If your check engine light or any other warning indicator lights up, don't ignore it. Get your car checked by a professional as soon as possible. Early diagnosis and repair can prevent minor issues from escalating into major engine damage. So, there you have it, 5 driving habits that can ruin your engine if you're not careful. The good news is that all of those habits are easy to fix with a little awareness and effort. Let's recap. Avoid revving your engine when it's cold. Stick to a regular oil change schedule. Don't ride the clutch. Drive smoothly without hard acceleration or braking, and never ignore warning lights. By making these adjustments, you can extend your engine's life, save money on repairs, and enjoy a better driving experience overall. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you found this information helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love their cars as much as you do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on tips and reviews to keep your car in top shape. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.